G'day guys, here's another one of these harder algebraic equations for you to look at. Remember, it's more for the top maybe 4 classes, that's about it. If you're not on one of those 4, you're not going to need to worry about it. Alright? Now here's the first one. X over 2 plus 3 equals 4. Okay, remembering we're doing our beam backwards. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we are going to move this plus 3 to the opposite side, change the side, change the operation. So it's going to be 4 minus 3. So x over 2 equals 1. What am I going to do next? Well, I don't want x over 2, I just want x. So now I'm going to move this divide by 2 onto the other side. Change the side, change the operation. The opposite of divide by 2 is times by 2. So x equals 2. As always, let's do a bit of a check over here. If x equals 2, okay, I'll just put the 2 up here. Then I'm going to say it's going to be 2 divided by 2 plus 3. Does it equal 4? 2 divided by 2 is 1 plus 3 equals 4. Woohoo, it's correct. So therefore x equals 2 is correct. On the next couple of slides, or next slide, I'm going to put a couple more similar to this down. Remember, pause it, give it a go, check your work. Right guys, here's a couple more for you. Remember, pause it and then come back and see if your answers match mine. First thing I'm going to do here is move this minus 1. If I move that onto the other side, change the side, change the operation, it's going to be a plus 1. So 4 over 2 equals, 4 over 2, you little twit. X over 2 equals 5. Now it's the 2's turn. Change the side, change the operation. 5 times 2, x equals 10. Right, let's give this a go here. If I made x up here equal to 10, I would have 10 over 2 minus 1. Does that equal 4? 10 over 2 is 5, minus 1 is 4, so I know it's correct. Better put a big checking here so we haven't just done the equation backwards. Next one over there, this time I'm going to get rid of the negative 4. So now I'm going to say m over 3 equals minus 8. Opposite of subtraction is addition. Minus 8 plus 4. So m over 3 minus 8 plus 4. Remember, you're going right on the number line. So we get minus 4. M equals, change the side, change the operation, minus 4 times 3. M equals minus 12. Give it a bit of a check. Minus 12 over 3 minus 4 equals minus 8. Now let's just move this up a little bit so a bit more room. Okay, minus 12 over 3. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. So I've got a negative 4. Minus 4 equals minus 8. Woohoo! My check is correct. So 12 equals minus, m equals minus 12. I hope that makes sense, guys. Remember, top classes, you should be able to do this. If not, check in with one of your teachers. Cheerio!